Let's solve another problem, problem number 11, hard level problem. Here we have to simplify this expression and transform this expression into a simple expression. And we have to also find the values for variable x where this expression has a meaning, it's meaningful, it exists, and so on. Like us and subscribe, and let's get started. First of all, let's denote our expression as a. In this case, our a can be written as, since here we have a power minus 1 over 2, this can be written as 1 over square root of x plus 2 times square root of 2x minus 4 plus 1 over square root of x minus 2 times square root of 2x minus 4. So difference is, here we have plus and here we have minus. Next, here, when we write our problem in this form, it's easy to see values of x where our expression exists. First of all, we have to say that 2x minus 4 must be greater or equal to 0. It means that 2x must be greater or equal to 4, or x must be greater or equal to 2. This is first values for x where our expression exists. Because why we write this? Because this expression under square root, because square root of y is defined where y is greater or equal to 0. Because we are assuming only real numbers, we are not talking about complex numbers. Next, it's obvious we have to claim that x minus 2 times 2x minus 4 also must be greater than 0. Because here, this expression under square root must be positive. It cannot be 0 because we cannot divide by 0. That's why if we solve further, we will have x greater than 2 times square root of 2x minus 4. Now we take square root of both sides of our inequality. We will have x squared greater than 4 times 2x minus 4. Or in other form, it can be written as x squared minus 8x plus 16 greater than 0. Since here, this can be written as x minus 4 squared, this value is actually greater or equal than 0, and this is equal to 0. This is equal to 0 if and only if, this symbol means if and only if, when x is equal to 4. And that's why the second condition, x must not be equal to 4. This is the second condition. So all in all, when x is greater or equal to 2, but x not equal to 4, our expression exists. And next, let's write our expression a. Perform addition of our two fractions. Here, if we add this fraction and this fraction, in denominator we will have this multiplied by this, and in numerator we will have this plus this. So let's rewrite it quickly. We will have x plus 2 times square root of 2x minus 4 times square root of x minus 2 times square root of 2x minus 4. In numerator, we will have x minus 2 times 2x minus 4 plus square root of x plus 2 times 2x minus 4. Next, obviously, this denominator will be equal to, using a formula, x minus y times x plus y, which is equal to x squared minus y squared. In this case, we will have square root of x squared minus 4 times 2x minus 4. And since it will be x squared minus 8x plus 16, and this can be written as x minus 4 squared under the square root, which is equal, by definition, which is equal to x minus 4 and absolute value of x minus 4. That's why we can rewrite our expression as something divided by absolute value of x minus 4, or we just can, let's write here to be more clear, square root of x minus 4. Next, since this expression is equal to a, let's take square root of both sides of a, of right side a and left side, and we will have a squared is equal to x minus 4 squared, and in numerator we will have this squared plus 2 times this plus this squared. Or we will use the formula a plus b squared, which is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and this will be equal to let's write first this expression squared will be x minus 2 times square root of 2x minus 4 times 2, and this times this using formula x minus y times x plus y, which is equal to x squared minus y squared. We will have square root of x minus 4 squared plus this squared, and it will be x plus 2 times square root of 2x minus 4. We will have a cancellation here. This and this will disappear, and we will have, so a squared is equal to 2x plus 2, and this expression is equal to absolute value of x minus 4 divided by x minus 4 squared. So this is a squared, and remember we have to find a. So the first case, let's assume the first case when x is greater than 4. When x is greater than 4, then a squared is equal to 2x plus. When x is greater than 4, then this absolute value will be equal to 2 times x minus 4 divided by x minus 4 squared, and it will be equal to 4x minus 8 divided by x minus 4 squared, or we can write it as, or we just can write that it follows that a is equal to 2 times square root of x minus 2 divided by x minus 4. And we didn't write absolute value of x minus 4 because here we have x greater than 4 and it will be positive number. So this is answer. This is the first answer. This is the first answer for x greater than 4. And second answer, when x is less than 4, remember x must be not equal to 4 and greater or equal to 2. In this case, a squared here, remember here, a squared will be 2x plus, and here, since x is less than 4, it will be minus x plus 4. So when we rewrite it, it will be 2 times minus x plus 4, or 4 minus x, divided by x minus 4 squared, which is equal to 8, because we have here cancellation, which is equal to 8 divided by x minus 4 squared, or a is equal to square root of 8 divided by absolute value of x minus 4. And here, since x is less than 4, it will be equal to square root of x divided by 4 minus x. So this is the second answer for these values of x. So our expression is equal to this in first case for some values of x, and is equal to this expression for another values of x. Like us and subscribe, and thank you very much for your attention.